Do I regret these boots?
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in heaven, till I can't take a shot.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Shantae, and on this channel we focus on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos. So today's video is going to be a update on my Dr Martens Combs boots. I did an unboxing about 2 years ago, around the same time that I did an unboxing for my Jaden boots, and I thought it would be fitting, since I gave you guys an update video on my Jaden boots, to also give you guys an update video on the Combs boots. So stick around guys and let's get into it. So guys, I'm just gonna give you guys like a quick look of what the boots are looking like. They're still white for the most part, but this is what they look like. I'm gonna move them off camera because the minute the camera focuses, you guys will see how dirty these boots are, and we're not trying to do that right now. So if you guys want details on the boots, you guys could, I'll just link the video up above so you guys could watch that, because we already got a video of that. We don't really need to be going through the specs again. But I will say that I did get the same size that I got in the Jaden boots. I did get in the Combs boots, which was a size 8. Let me make sure. Yeah, it was a size 8. I'm not sure if I got it when it was new, but I felt like it was pretty new because I didn't really have a lot of information on it, and I haven't really seen any YouTube videos on it as well. So I think it was like pretty new when I got it, so I didn't know if it ran a certain size, and I did take the size 8, even though usually I wear like a size 9 depending on the fit of the shoe. If it's like narrow or something like that, I usually get a 9. But the way how the boots shaped, I figured I could get away with a size 8, and so that's what I went with. But guys, even though I got the size 8, it does run large. I wore thick socks with these boots and there was still room, so I would say size down. I think I could have got away with a size 7, to be honest. But other than that, it's way more comfortable than the Jaden boots. Let me just start there. There's a lot of stretch, there's a lot of movement, wiggle room for your toes and everything, and I definitely think it's something that I could wear throughout the day and have no issues. And it's like the complete opposite with the Jaden. Even though I'm not bashing the Jaden, we already cleared that up, that's a hate-love relationship. But it's just completely different from the experience that I had with the Jaden. I don't really wear these a lot, and I think it's obvious because of the color. It's white, it gets dirty really fast. As much as I would like to wear it often, especially in the fall winter time, the weather is very unpredictable, and I just feel like it's like a mess waiting to happen. There has been some like creasing in the front, which was expected. I also feel like because it's like a bigger size, it gave a lot of extra room, so whenever I would walk, it would give it like that, I don't know, that crease, because there was so much space, if that makes sense. I wish they had a zipper, but we're not gonna talk about it because taking these laces out sometimes could be a lot, especially like when you're in a rush. But other than that, there's no issue. Like, I'm just being lazy with that. But yeah. Also, I definitely think the material holds up. I know it's not fully leather. I guess there's some leather bits in it. It's like mixed with something synthetic. But I definitely think the material holds up pretty well, especially after, what, 2 years? It's still here. When it comes to cleaning these boots, the outside, I feel like it's not so bad. All you need is the baking soda, water, and a little bit of soap. But I feel like the inside, like around the rim here, I guess, once it starts rubbing, I don't know how you would probably clean that area. I would say that would be my issue. That would be my only issue, just like the inner rim area. I feel like that would probably cause a little bit more issue when it comes to cleaning, if you're a person that would probably wear this more often than I have. These boots are really nice. They're still sturdy to this day. The laces are still standing. There is a little like wear on the front flap, which I guess because of the material, it just kind of like starts to fuzz a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, that little fuzzy stuff. But yeah, other than that, the boot is pretty much still good to wear around, and I still absolutely love it. I just wish I sized down, because I really like, I'm not saying that I like my shoes fitted, but I like them to fit, and I like them to fit in a way where it doesn't feel like it'll fall off my feet. Like, I feel like if these laces weren't here and I couldn't pull them tight enough, it would definitely fall off my feet. Like, that's how much space I had with these boots. But I still love them. They're still sturdy, they're still standing, and it's what, almost going on 3 years. So definitely don't regret these boots. I absolutely love them. I think they're so cute. They also go really well with my jumpsuit. I actually did a video, my last video, check it out, I'll link it up above, but I actually styled these boots in my last video. So one of the outfits, I had my cream jumpsuit, I had the boots on, and then my cream jacket, and I really loved the look. So it's definitely something that I do still wear, something that I will be wearing until, you know, its time comes. But I do feel like its time will come before the Jaden. Like, the Jaden don't move. The Jaden is sturdy, but this one, I'm starting to see the wear happening. But overall, I still feel like it still was very sturdy, especially after 2 years. It's still standing. So guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found all the information that you needed. If you guys got any questions, just leave them down in the comments. And yeah, until next time guys, bye.